Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use your laptop HP ELITEBOOK 855 as a monitor. So I have two laptops here. Here is the HP and here I have some other Lenovo, but we'll be mainly using the HP. So first search for the settings, and of course do this on both of your laptops or on your laptop and your computer, something like that. Then system, scroll down to optional features, then view features and type in wireless display, select it, click next and add. Now wait till the feature is added. So now when it's added on both of our devices, then simply go into the settings once again, system, scroll down till you see project into this PC and select available everywhere. Now going to our other device, click Windows and K. Windows and K. And now it should find the device, select it. Now here click OK. It is about to project. As you can see, we can't do pretty much anything right here. It's because the main screen is this one. So now click once again Windows and K and duplicate, enable the extend. And now back to our laptop. It should work now. Oh yes. As you can see, the mouse is in here. It not works as good because the other laptop is very slow because it's the old laptop. But when I'll show you like this. When I have my mouse in here and now it appears on the second screen. Remember that the primary screen will always be on the left side and the screen that we connect to will be on the right side. So if you, for example, have your EliteBook like this and your other screen on the right, then we need to click Windows and K to connect on this laptop, not on this on the right side. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.